श्री जिनवर की दिव्य देशना फैला रहा जहान में। मंगलमयी जिन शासन ध्वजिए लहराता है शान से।
मंगलमयी जिन शासन ध्वजिए लहराता है शान से।
लहराता है लहराएगा लहरा रहा जहान में। मंगलमयी जिन शासन ध्वजिए लहराता है शान से।
मंगलमयी जिन शासन ध्वजिए लहराता है शान से।
अनेकांत की वस्तु व्यवस्था काद्यों तक जग में न्यारा। स्यादवाद चिन्हों से अंकित केशरिया ध्वज अति प्यारा। मुक्ति मार्ग का दिग्दर्शक ये भव्य कहे बहुमान से। लहराता है लहराएगा लहरा रहा जहान में।
लहराता है लहराएगा लहरा रहा जहान में।
रत्नत्रय के पावन नभ पर फहराता है मन भावन। सिद्धालय की ओर बढ़े जो उनकी परिणति हो पावन। पाए भविजन भविजन भव का किनारा मिला मुक्ति सोपान है। लहराता है लहराएगा लहरा रहा जहान में।
लहराता है लहराएगा लहरा रहा जहान में।
नवदेवों में एक जिनालय जिसकी शोभा का नायक। मोह तिमिर क्षय करने वाला शाश्वत सुख का परिचायक। भेद ज्ञान का दीप जला अब फैला सम्यक ज्ञान है। लहराता है लहराएगा लहरा रहा जहान में।
लहराता है लहराएगा लहरा रहा जहान में।
शासन की गौरव गाथा का यह बोध कराता है। निर्ग्रंथों का अनुगामी ही महामोक्ष पद पाता है। मैं स्वभाव से सिद्ध स्वरूपी जागा निज सम्मान ले। लहराता है लहराएगा लहरा रहा जहान में।
लहराता है लहराएगा लहरा रहा जहान में।
सीमंधर संदेश सुनाने कुंद कुंद मुनिवर आए। धन्य धन्य गुरुवर कहान निज ज्ञायक परिचय करवाए। अध्यात्म भवन के
Welcome to the auspicious Panch Kalyanak Mahotsav celebration of the 1008 Adinath Bhagwan Temple. My name, as Pandit Ji, Shastri Ji said so humbly, is Nancy Jain, and my co-MC.
I'm Dr. Raj Patil, most of you know. Again, welcome on behalf of the committee, Ghanchan and Kanchan Jain. Please give them a big hand, everyone, for participating, and for yourself also for being here on this auspicious day. Anderson, Councillor of Brampton City. Amrit Mangat, Member of Provincial Parliament. And Member of Parliament, Kyle Seaback, represents Brampton West. And our Mayor, Susan Funnell. And next to her is our Consular General of India, Toronto, Mr. Mishra.
Mr. Jain earned his master's in engineering from Ohio State University in the USA. Shortly after, he founded the family business in 1967, when he bought his first property, a 5-acre plot in Oshawa. He is active in the local community and has supported numerous charities, started a soup kitchen for the homeless, and has served the Jain Society of Toronto in various capacities.
Welcome. Jai Janendra. Really, the dream has come true. Welcome to this auspicious opening of the magnificent temple. My wife, Kanchan, and I humbly welcome you all. Our Pandit Hemant Kumar Ji and all the Panditjis, along with the Devis and Devtas who are present here, our Sadharmi brothers and sisters and children. We would like to specially recognize Member of Parliament Seaback, MPP Vic Dhillon, MPP Amrit Mangat, MPP Deepika D'Amelia, Mayor of Brampton Susan Fennell, City Councillor Vicky Dhillon, Consul General of India Akhilesh Mishra. We would also like to welcome all those who have come all the way from East Africa, England, India, Thailand, Singapore, USA, and many other countries. Over the next 8 days, you will be a part of these historic Panch Kalyanak celebrations. Shri 1008 Adinath Swami Jain Temple is a first Shikharbandi Jain temple in Canada, made according to 1,000-year-old traditions. These ceremonies will be conducted by 10 of the most learned Jain Pandits from India. What an honor and a privilege it is to be in Canada, a wonderful country that has allowed an immigrant not only to have a dream, but also to have the opportunity to realize it. It is just like a seed that grows into a tree. An idea has grown into something magnificent like this Jain temple. 15 years ago, my wife had a dream to have an authentic Jain Shikarbandi temple in Canada. Our country provided us the opportunity to acquire this 30-acre parcel of land 12 years ago, and eventually her dream came true. Our dream did not come true without its struggles. After spending 9 years of rigorous legal wrangling and a donation of 5 acres of land to the Conservation Authority, we eventually got the building permit. And then finally, the major task of building this beautiful Jain temple started. With blessings, hard work, mutual cooperation, and endless determination, one thing miraculously led to the other. We sourced materials from India and around the world to build this magnificent temple, Manastham, you may call Tower of Peace. The stones were architecturally designed and hand-carved by Indian craftsmen who specialize in ancient Indian art. This Jain temple is 8,000 square feet in area with a library and a meditation hall where children and adults can learn about Jain philosophy, non-violence, and meditation. And of course, this temple has an ultra-modern kitchen. In future, we would like to build a senior citizen home where elders can spend their golden years in a supportive community with underlying Jain principles. We would also like to give special thanks and acknowledge the support of Shri Rajendra Jain of Thailand, who helped with all the stonework. Nimit Shah for his coordination, our President Milan Shah, Vice President Dinesh Jain, the members of the executive, and our great team of 100 volunteers. You are the soul of this temple. We are very grateful to you all. This is your temple. Let it serve as a beacon of inspiration for our community here and beyond. Enjoy what we have started to build. We hope you will continue to help make it an epicenter of peaceful living, where all can come, regardless of their background, to learn Jain philosophy to be a better person. Enam Jayato Shashanam. Jai Janendra.
Hi, Janendra. What an honor and privilege to be invited 1 year later, because 1 year ago on this place, we talked about a vision and a dream that comes true in Brampton, Canada. Congratulations to everyone.
जय अरिहंता तुम ही महान।
जय अरिहंता तुम ही महान।
जय श्री सिद्ध तुम ही महान।
जय श्री सिद्ध तुम ही महान।
तुझ में हमें दिखाई देती,
तुझ में हमें दिखाई देती
सहज सुखों की खान। जय अरिहंता तुम ही महान। जय श्री सिद्ध तुम ही महान। तुम हो विगत सकल अभिलाषा, तुमने जन्म मरण है नाशा।
तुम हो विगत सकल अभिलाषा, तुमने जन्म मरण है नाशा।
तुमसे दृष्टि मिलाए गर हम,
तुमसे दृष्टि मिलाए गर हम
निज पर का हो ज्ञान। जय अरिहंता तुम ही महान।